This is the second video in a series of videos to help you assemble your iGo. We're going to be putting the seat together now. You'll need a 4mm Allen key. Take your seat back and slide the arm through the hole in the fabric. One of the things to remember when you're installing the seat is don't drive all the screws home until the seat's fully assembled. Otherwise the parts don't line up as they're supposed to. After you've put the screw in on the one arm, do the same to the second arm as we've done here. Now we're going to install the seat base to the back support and to the armrest. As I mentioned before, gently hand thread them in, and then we'll work our way around and tighten them up once everything's installed. Do the same to the other side. Now that we have the base assembled, what we're going to do is work our way around in the star pattern, tightening the bolts. Last step is to velcro the bottom of the seat onto the base. Here we have the fully assembled seat.